Good evening. So tonight we have a LVDS cable, and this was sent from another computer shop, so this is not from me or for me. And they reckon the cable is faulty, so they went out, bought a new cable. But funny enough, the new cable, this is the old one. It's got the mic on there. The new cable doesn't come with a mic. Fun. And the other problem is it just doesn't come. I'll show you under the microscope better. But this colors of the wires are different. So this means I'll need to go map out the pins of this microphone and then map out the new cable to solder the microphone on to the new cable. That's just ridiculous. How should computer shops replacing LVDS cables do this? This I don't know for what laptop this is. There's no model number or anything. Here's a part number if you want to see the port number on this cable, and this is the port number on this cable. So I didn't Google this or see which laptop this belongs to. So when we get started, start mapping out the pins on these two connectors and mapping out the pins on these two on a new cable, and then matching them to the microphone. Right, let's get to the microscope. So as you can see, these are the colors of the wires of the microphone, and it's the new one. Let me just get the new one quickly. And this is the colors of the new cable. So yeah, that's bad. So I'm just going to use a tiny little bit of alcohol on here. And get this glue off. Quite a hot glue, it's more like a epoxy. There we go. One. Two. Okay, that's all I need for now. Alright, let's see. You won't be able to see the other side of the connector. Maybe I can get it in shot. Let's see. I'm fully zoomed out. I don't know how much we're gonna see. Let's get to the first one. Let's get it there. Let's see. So that's the that shot in there. So that's the first wire, and this is on 1, 2, 3, 4. So pin 4 facing the connectors to me. It's the first one. So I'm going to need to write that down somewhere. If I can find a pen. Yeah. Okay, so pin 4 to pin 1. So pin 4, I'm going to call this pin 1. We'll call this pin 1. Let's see if we can find a second one. Go on there. See if we can find the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so pin 2, pin 7. Okay. And the next one, let's see if we can find this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pin 6. Pin 6. Pin 3. Let's try the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin 5. Pin 6. Alright, so we mapped out that one. So now what we can do, let's get this plug. Let's get this plug in here. And these wires, and we can write the colors of the wires down next to the pins where they go. I think that would make the job much easier. So let's go for pin 4 first. That will be the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a clear wire. Here, let's try pin 2 to pin 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven. So that's a yellow one. Next one is pin 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's orange. And pin 5 to pin 4. Pin 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be the red one. That's right. Then we get the unsolder on, and you can desolder the mic. So let's get the mic desoldered. And clean up those pins. So remove the old cable. Add some new solder. These wires are way too long, so let's just shorten them up. Okay, so pin 1 was the clear one. Tiny amount of flux. So pin 1 was clear. Pin 2 was yellow. See. Pin 2 was yellow. Pin 3 was orange. Pin 4 was red. Add a little bit more flux. Get some alcohol on here. We can clean this up. Right, that will be it for this video. Enjoy your night. Thanks for watching. Bye.